Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter Components of Food, as we have already discussed about the name of the components. One is carbohydrate, second is protein, third one is fat, fourth is vitamin, fifth minerals, sixth water and roughage. We have already discussed about carbohydrate, their sources and their functions. Today we are going to discuss about the second component, that is fat. What is fat? Fat is that contain carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Second is, what are the sources of fat? There are two sources of fat. One is the plant fat and second one is animal fat. Number 1. Plant fat. The fat that obtained from plants is known as the plant fat. What are the examples of plant fat? Example is cooking oil. In the cooking oil, we can use the mustard oil, that is the sarson. Second is groundnut oil, moongfali oil. Okay. Second is the animal fat. Animal fat, the fat that obtained from animals are known as the animal fat. Example is butter, ghee, milk, cheese, meat. These are the sources that are obtained from animals. Now the question is, what are the functions of fat? Fat are known as the energy bank. Energy bank means they store the energy. As in the bank, we store our jewelry, our money for the safety purpose or for security purpose, and they security for the future. Same, the fat provide the energy when we need, because our body convert the food into energy and store the part of this energy as the fat. As fats have high energy but they contain the less oxygen as compared to the carbohydrates. When we compare the fat with the carbohydrate, carbohydrates are the instant store of the energy, instant source of the energy, but fat are the stored form of the energy. Example is oil, means fat can be found in two forms. What are the two forms of the fat? There are two forms of fat. One is solid, second is liquid. Example is oil. Oil is liquid except the coconut oil, that is the solid. And other example of the solid fat are ghee, vanaspati ghee. These are the solid fat. Okay. Now, how will you detect that this component contain the fat? For this, you have to do one activity. Put one drop of the fat like ghee or oil onto a paper. Means you require two things. One is paper and second is the fat source. Put one drop of the ghee on the paper. What you see? You see the translucent look of the paper, means that is having some blurred look on the paper. This show that this component contain the fat. Or either you can do one thing, that if you have put oil on your hairs, then take one piece of paper and rub the piece of paper on your hairs. You see that the paper will having some stains over them, means having some translucent look, you can see the paper from both sides. This shows that your hairs contain some oil, as oil is a fat. So today what we have discussed, I am concluding it. What is fat? What is fat? What are the sources of fat? What are the functions of fat? Fat is found in which form? Solid or liquid? How will you compare the fat with the carbohydrate? Thank you. Students, kindly read the book on daily basis for your better concepts. If you have any doubt, then message me. Thank you.